How to save items on Temu app. Add to wishlist. Found something you like on the Temu app and want to save it for later? Here's how you can easily do it. Open the Temu app on your phone. Browse through the app until you find the item you want to save. Once you've found the item, tap on it to open the product page. Below the product information and reviews, find the heart icon. Click on that icon to save the item to your wishlist. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the item has been saved. If you're looking for a specific product, go back to the home page. In the search bar, enter the keywords for the item you want. I'm currently interested in hats. You can find your desired product and save it as I demonstrated earlier in the video. And that's it. Now you can easily keep track of the items you like on Temu. For a detailed video on how to find saved items in the wishlist on your Temu account, check out my video, the link to which I'll place in the upper right corner of the screen. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.